Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can craft a campfire in Hytale. So to craft one of these lovely campfires, the first thing you need to do is come over to the crafting tab here by pressing the tab key on your keyboard, and you can see here that campfire is selected by default. In order to craft one, we need to gather 4 sticks and 2 rubble, and in order to do that we actually just find sticks by bashing these hedges around here. The foliage here normally drops a lot of sticks, so we can go ahead and do that. And then if you need to find some rubble, all you need to do is come over to the nearest riverbed here, and as you can see we've got a couple of pieces of rubble that we can just press F to pick up. And once we've picked up some rubble, we just need to find somewhere now to place our campfire. My teammate's just up here, so I'm going to go ahead and find him here. We can press tab again to open that, press the craft button, and you can see now that we have successfully crafted our campfire. Let's drag that down into our toolbar just here, and then we can go ahead and place that on the ground by pressing right click, and then we can press F to open. Once we've opened it, we can go ahead and actually put a portion of these sticks, if we want, into the campfire, and then just press turn on in order to turn the fire on. Once it's set alight, you can also add food here to cook, like raw meat, and it will produce charcoal passively as it burns through the wood. And that is how you craft a campfire in Hytale. I hope this tutorial helped.